Strong winds caused damage to several buildings in Saitama Prefecture, north of Tokyo, on July 17th. The strong gusts occurred just before 8 p.m. in Fukuya, Saitama Prefecture, with 12 cases of damage to buildings and other items, but no injuries being reported. While the gusts were originally thought to be a tornado, the Kumagaya Meteorological Office announced they were most likely a downburst.
今までに聞いたことのないような風の音だったので、家の窓を全部閉めて。
自宅の裏の隣の小屋が潰れたんで、出てきたらうちの工場の方がひどかったの。
The downburst, caused by cold air descending suddenly from a well-developed cumulonimbus cloud, was blowing winds with speeds at about 35 meters per second. Onomotohiro, governor of Saitama Prefecture, also visited the area to survey the damage.
自然の脅威、そしてから災害のが毎年激甚化しているなというのを強く感じました。初動の対応が大切なので、それをしっかり組み上げた上で、そして被害等については冷静に対応していきたいと思っています。